I can't say that I've ever been in heaven slaying catfish, but if this is what it feels like, this is absolutely amazing. I think I just lost my phone again. This sucks. Well, David Bates, always losing his cell phone in the water. Again, so here goes another deductible. Whoa, just finished my extra. Wow, this is a nice fish, y'all. This is a nice fish. I was about to just take it back to the house. David Bates, Bates in the water. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. It's in the bait. The bait is in the water. David Bates, Bates in the water. It's early, y'all. Can't even see me. And that's not because my skin's dark. It's because it's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Like that.
Look at that moonlight, y'all. David Bates, Bates in the water, y'all. How's it going? Yo, it is very, very dark out right now. I'm using my phone light. Hopefully I don't drop it in the water this time. We're about to put some baits in the water, y'all. It's late October. I think sunrise is at 7:30 a.m. We're out here for an hour and a half before sun comes out. Hopefully trying to take advantage of that early morning bite, y'all. Like I said, I almost had a fish jump in my lap, scared the out of me. Whoop, scared the hell out of me. I'm gonna focus, make sure I know where I'm going. Stay tuned, and we're gonna get some baits in the water, y'all. Peace. What's up, guys? All right, man, I'm here. I'm gonna start fishing this old riverbed in this hole. I apologize for the lighting, obviously it's dark. Bear with me. I'm about to get the rods rigged up, get some bait out. Gotta admit, it's pretty eerie out here, y'all. We're gonna start off with a live bluegill, y'all. Not sure if you can see that, but there he is. See that guy? He's gonna hopefully flop around about 32 feet below me in this hole. Sun is coming up behind me, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this guy on a hook. Going down on the green floater. Got a 3-ounce weight. No current. He should do excellent down there, y'all. Let's do it. On that front rod. Boom. And we got one bait in the water, y'all. That's the live bait. We're gonna have white bass and bluegill on the hooks today, y'all. I got a big chunk of Kool-Aid right here. It's like a bass section. And I'm just gonna cut that in half and slap that on a hook. Oh, you can see this right here. Just this big slab of Kool-Aid soaked bass meat. Right there. Kool-Aid on the ugly stick, y'all, which also has a green floater. 3-ounce weight. I'm just gonna stick that on there just like that. It's that piece of Kool-Aid on the ugly stick, y'all. Here we go. Kool-Aid is in. Now we got this little white bass right here that we're gonna use. We'll put a headpiece and a body section on. This is previously frozen. This is gonna be on the little styrofoam floater right here. Let's go ahead and put a little body chunk on that one. Got the guts hanging out, you know what I'm saying? Just to lure them in, y'all, you know. Go ahead and drop this one down.
Like that.
3 rods. And here's the Catfish Sumo, y'all. That's right. Got a little blur in here. But yes, sir. Going with the Rattler today. And put this white bass headpiece on there. Just like that. Bam. Drop this one down, y'all. Let's go ahead and do it. And there you have it. Sun's coming up, y'all. Check it out. Yo, what's up, everybody? We got our 4 rods in. Ugly Stick got a piece of bass soaked in some Kool-Aid overnight. This back rod right here has a white bass head on it, headpiece on it. This rod right here has a white bass body section on it. And this one has a live bluegill. So we got 4 baits, 4 rods, all of them on floaters, 1 Catfish Sumo. We're out here by ourselves today, y'all. And as I'm saying that, we got a boat coming our way, man. Here we go. Other than that 1 boat out here, we are by ourselves on the water, super, super calm. And I'm looking forward to slaying some catfish today, y'all. Super foggy. It's 52 degrees outside. Got my hoodie on, my Kayak Catfish from JJ, Justin Johnson. Got that on today. Water temp is a crisp 68. And we're about 32 feet. Like I said, no wind, kind of foggy. Great day. Look how close this guy has to get to me. Unreal. Unreal, y'all. Now that right there is unnecessary. Oh, my kayak just jerked. Oh, snap. Look, I gotta put this up, y'all. Looks like we gotta get a fish on. There we go. Of course, the wake has to come and screw up my bite. I'm by here by myself, guys. It is 7:14 a.m. That's the first person I've seen. And look what he did to me. I bet he messed up my bite. The whole kayak started twitching. It's this rod right here that's getting hit, y'all. It's been about, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes or so. Still early, 7:38. But normally I have a bite by now, so I'm gonna move about 20 feet this way. That way? Yeah, that way. This way? No, that way. That way. And I'm gonna cast out like I normally do. On the Kool-Aid, y'all. Watch it. You see it? See it bending down slow like? Something taking it, boy. See that? Yes, sir. We about to be on some fish today, y'all. To give you an idea of the sight, the visibility out here. Watch that guy disappear. And he gone. Still alive. Still kicking it, looking beautiful. The sun is burning this fog off. Not quite up yet behind me, but it's getting there. I'm about to put my hoodie on. I just got a bunch of slack in the line. That was really weird. I thought I got hit. Caused a bunch of slack in the line, but I guess not, son. Come on, fish. I know y'all hungry. Let's eat. I think I got a fish on, y'all. Yep. Yes, sir. First fish on, y'all. Let's see what we got. Definitely coming home for lunch, y'all. Take a look at that. Nice little channel cat. Yes, sir. Bring your tail here, sir. Let me put him in my rod holder. He's hooked pretty good. Nice little guy. Yes, sir. Go ahead and give him a show. The 6-aught or the 5-aught that I have. Kept my bait too. Say hello. Take a look at this guy. I'd say he's probably a good 20 inches or so. Say cheese. Stick him in the cooler. Yes, sir. Got a nice little channel cat right there. Caught him on this styrofoam float, and he ate a white bass body section. Yeah, we're gonna throw that out and just rebait another piece. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. But we got plenty of bait. So let's go ahead and get another piece on there. Look at that piece right there, y'all. It's a nice yellow bass. I'm gonna take a head piece. Previously frozen. And we're gonna slap that guy right there on the hook, y'all. Yes, sir. Stick this little yellow bass head piece on there. Let's see what else you can conjure up out there. Here we go. That's right. Go ahead and throw that back out there, bye. Yep, I'm gonna have to stand up and do it, y'all.
Like that.
Line's tight, drag set. Let's do it again, y'all. On that head piece. Look around me, y'all. You can't even see anything. It's so foggy. What a dangerous time to be in the lake right now. Because if a boat was coming this way right here, he wouldn't see me until he was right close next to me. I pray that these guys are driving safe and not blind. See, there's one right there. You know, I hope that they are being safe, man. Because you can't see anybody out here. And he just veered off. Was heading towards me. Bro, you late, dog. You late. Fish are gone. They ain't here no more. If I was where I was earlier, 20 feet that way, I'd have been hit by that boat. That's for sure. Check out that little thing right there. The Maggie Lynn. It's a good shot right there with the birds in the background. The fog is slowly dissipating. That way you can see, but this way it's still kind of crazy. I'll give this 15 more minutes and then we're gonna go over to that little cove over there. We're gonna go a little bit more shallow and see if the kitties went to shallow, warmer water during the cooler fall months. You can see straight ahead, right where you see the sun hitting those trees, that's where we're gonna go. It goes into a little creek bed. I've never been fishing there before, but it looks like a nice little spot that some blue cats, channel cats, and flatheads might be chilling, congregating for church today on this glorious Sunday. Got to pull up my Navionics. A lot of people have Navionics on their fish finders. I just got a little cheap Garmin Striker 4, I think it's what it's called, and I just use it for my depth finder. I find that Navionics on my phone is, equally as good. I have it right here in my face and not right there, but you do have the chance of, losing your phone in the water. I'm sure you guys have seen that. So using Navionics on a boat or in a kayak on your phone isn't the smartest idea, unless you have a waterproof case, which I don't right now. But I'm not using my phone for a camera like I was before, because I got this trusty GoPro. Yay! So I got a second little cell phone that I use for a second camera, and I don't pay any service for it or anything. It's just for the camera. I actually found that in an old box in the attic. An old Samsung from back in the day, maybe a couple years old. Works perfectly. Doesn't have any pictures on it or anything. No service. I just only use it for the camera. So that way I can eliminate the risk of dropping my phone in the lake again. Right now, on my fish finder, I'm seeing a lot of fish and a lot of structure below here. We're at 16.8 feet, but according to the Navionics, the contours and the drop-offs are right over here by this cove, and right here is all flooded timber. I mean, you can kind of see old trees in the distance, so I imagine that's what's underneath here. All right, y'all, we almost here. It's like glass. It's so calm, bro. I love it when it's like this. This is the best weather to fish in, by far. We're gonna set up in this little backwater creek, y'all. Ain't nobody over here. Yes, sir. I wonder if this guy's still alive. Yep. Put this Kool-Aid in the water. I'm gonna switch this Kool-Aid out, actually. Tighten them lines up, bye. Let's get these back two rods out there. These two will throw back out towards that creek. Okay. All right. That one back there. Last rod. All right. Now we sit back and we wait. Got Got bubbles coming up. Don't know what that's from. But I know y'all see them bubbles. Should put a bait right there, huh? What could that be? I know it's not my cell phone. So don't say that. And then it's done. Interesting. I think I just lost my phone again. But this time I don't know what happened to it. I had it in this case and then it dropped out. And I'm willing to bet it's down right below me. I'm so tired of losing my phone on the trips, man. This sucks.
Power on.
Well, David Bates always losing his cell phone in the water. Again, so here goes another deductible. I think I'm not gonna ever take my phone with me in the kayak ever again. Anyway, it's getting hot. I'm gonna start taking off some of these clothes. Yo. All right, let's go ahead and forget about losing my cell phone. Again. Trying to make a catfishing video, kayak catfishing video without losing electronics. It's challenging. It's becoming a habit. I feel like I ruin the trip every time I do some stupid stuff like that. Lesson learned. Twice, 1 month. So forget this creek. I'm not gonna fish in this creek because I dropped my cell phone in it and ruined that whole experience. We're gonna start over again. Don't have no Navionics anymore, so we're just gonna have to play it by ear and see what happens, y'all. It's about 9:45, and I gotta get some food. I'm hungry. I'm gonna see what we got in the goodie box today, y'all. Let's see what we got, y'all. I know what we don't have, and that is a cell phone. Oh my goodness. Yo, this chicken looks, is this chicken? No, it's turkey. But it's got some thick skin on it. Got some cut up oranges, man. Got these eggs right here. Love the olives. Got 2 different kinds of salami. That caliente and that regular. Yes, sir. Muy bien. I know my Spanish is kind of rusty, y'all. Thank you, babe. This is delicious. I almost forgot that I lost my cell phone until I was thinking about texting you and telling you thank you for lunch. But yeah, the times have changed since the Nokia days. A lot of y'all probably don't even know what I'm talking about, but Snake was the jam. I had my Snake as long as the whole Nokia screen. And I say like it's like that big, but the Nokia screen was like that big, yo. So playing Snake on that was like, and then the battery never died. That was another thing. You never had to charge your Nokia. Bro, you could play Snake all night long without the battery plugged in or the phone plugged into the charger. And wake up the next day, play Snake in the classroom. You could have cell phones in the classroom. Like they didn't know what to do about that. Same thing with pagers. We had pagers in the classroom. I don't know if y'all remember the Nokia cases. The Nokia cases were the jam. I had a red one, and you could change them out interchangeably. I had a red one, a silver one, and then they came out with this camo one that I had. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna get my son whenever he starts wanting to get a cell phone. He's 11 now. He's already on the screens, PlayStation, iPad, all of that. And I guess when he drives away from the house overnight with friends and stuff, I'll think about getting him a cell phone. But it's gonna be that Nokia. It's gonna be that Nokia. Since I'm used to losing my cell phone in the water, it's really not that big of a deal, especially when they hand deliver it. All right, lunch was delicious. Brunch, lunch, breakfast, 10 o'clock, whatever. Delicious. About to pack this up. Gotta get one more bite. Man, that turkey is phenomenal. It's not the same turkey that we always get. Something I've never tried was cast netting out of the kayak. I see fish all around me. Let's see if I can do this without falling out. Boy, this will be funny if I throw the net and fall out the kayak. It'll be hilarious. Okay, it's actually looks like it's gonna work. It got good balance. Let's check this out, y'all. Wow, did I just do that? I did, didn't I? Nothing, but I know I can do it. All right, y'all. The only action I've gotten was my cell phone dropping in the water, so this creek mouth is not even getting me any bites. I'm gonna go back to where I caught my first fish and finish out my day over there. I'm probably gonna fish for another couple more hours. That'll make us at 12:30, and then we will head to the crib. It's getting kind of slow now. We're in the hour of skunk, or the hour of suck, whichever you want to call it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and troll my way back to the truck. I've had some bites out here where I caught that first fish, but nothing really committing right now. So I'm gonna reel these lines in and get them at the right depth, and then troll my way back to the truck around 16 to 18 feet deep. So hopefully we can get a fish trolling back to the truck, y'all. David Bates, thanks for tuning in. David Bates with another one. Listen, y'all, it was slow today, but there was fish. This is a video. That makes this a fishing video. Stole that from Catfish Dave. But no, man, I think it's spawn season right now, and the fish are hiding on their nest, because I didn't even see any on the fish finder. I did lose my cell phone, so there's crappy service here at Jordan Lake, but we're gonna go file another claim and just go ahead and chalk this up to 2 phones in 1 month at Jordan Lake. Starting to make a habit of this. Not nearly as upset as I was the first time though. I had my fancy case, and I didn't zip it up all the way, and it slipped up out of the case and fell right into my hole where I had my pedal drive. So I think I'm gonna leave my cell phone in my truck every time I go kayak catfishing. That's the smartest thing to do. We're not trying to make 3 times the charm, and I ain't got money like that, you know what I'm saying? So another $250, $200 deductible, another iPhone, and another lesson learned. At any rate, you ain't gonna catch no fish without bait in the water. David Bates signing out. Peace. It's in the bait. The bait is in the water. That's right. That's right. Oh, trolling back to the truck, y'all. David Bates got a fish. I done did my outro and everything. and got myself a fish, man. Something tried to get that that live white bass. I don't know if it was that one, but slowly making my way back to the truck, and came up with our second channel cat, y'all. Let him tire himself out before I bring him in the kayak. It's awesome, man. Yo, I was literally like taking a siesta, just floating on back, and then heard two thumps, one on the live white bass and then this ugly stick. It's got that bluegill headpiece on it, and we still get our bait back. And this guy is hooked like, let me show you. Yo, that's how you hook a catfish, y'all. That's right. Definitely taking him home to eat. Yes, sir. And here I am thinking that they're on the spawn. Like, I didn't even see any fish on my fish finder at all. Whoa, he's a biter. Look at this guy. You gonna chill out for me? Not a bad looking guy. There you go. Going home into the cooler, son. Yes, sir. Put this in the cooler. Whoa! Just finished my extra. Wow, this is a nice fish, y'all. This is a nice fish. I was about to just take it back to the house. Look at this. Look at that, bro. I felt him. I felt the rod went into the water, y'all. Yo. Yeah, we had another. Is this a channel or a blue? That's a blue cat, bro. We had a nice blue cat. He's mad, bro. Is he hooked? Good? Decent? Got that bluegill head. Yes, sir. This is a nice size one. Let's see if I can get this in the yak, y'all. On that green floater, man. Catfish Sumo slacking today, y'all. Oh, he's not even hooked. Come on, baby. He's not even hooked, y'all. Barely. Barely. Come on. Stop spinning and bring your butt in here. Come on. Yes, sir. Take this hook piece out so I don't hook myself. Two fish on the head piece, y'all. Look at that. That head piece is demolished. This is nice. Now this is what we came to catch fish for, y'all. Right here. Look at that nice little. Oh, that's a channel cat. It's a big old channel cat, though. And I think this is another female. This is a nice one. All these fish coming right as I'm dragging bait, headed back to the truck. Couldn't do an outro without catching two fish. David Bates, baits in the water, y'all. That's right. Let's go ahead and put this guy in the cooler, son. And get a nice little picture, too, for the IG. But yeah, appreciate you guys tagging along. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'm gonna catch you guys on another one. David Bates signing out. Peace.